In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to your Wix website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take a design you created in Canva and embed it so it appears live and interactive on your Wix site. Let's start on Canva. Open the design you want to display on your website. This could be a presentation, a document, a graphic, or any design you'd like visitors to see. At the top right corner of your Canva editor, look for the Share button and click on it. This is where Canva keeps all the different ways you can export or publish your design. When the Share menu opens, you'll see some common options like download and social sharing. We want the full list, so click on the option that says See All. This expands the menu and shows you every available publish option for that design. From this expanded list, look for the option called Embed. Go ahead and click on Embed. Canva will now prepare an embed code, which is a small piece of HTML that tells your website how to display this design. On the next screen, you'll see an embed button again to confirm this option. Click on Embed, and Canva will generate the HTML code for you. Once the code appears, you'll see a field with some text in it, starting with angle brackets. You don't need to understand the code itself, you just need to copy it exactly. Click on the copy button to copy the entire embed code to your clipboard. Now switch over to your Wix website editor in your browser. Open the site and page where you want this Canva design to appear. On the left side of the Wix editor, click on the Add Elements button, often shown as a plus sign. This opens the panel of all the elements you can add to your page. In this panel, scroll until you find the section called Embed Code and click on it. Then choose Popular Embeds. From the options that appear, select Embed HTML. Wix will add a new HTML element to your page. Click on that HTML box and you'll see a place to enter code. Paste the Canva embed code you copied earlier into this field. After pasting, click on Apply. Wix will load your Canva design right inside the editor, and you can resize or move it as needed. When you publish your site, your Canva design will be live on your Wix website.